Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Schlage Encode to Alexa routine automation, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure that your Schlage Encode smart lock is set up and connected to your home Wi-Fi network. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. In the Alexa app, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Select Skills and Games from the menu. In the search bar, type Schlage and press search. Find the Schlage skill in the results and tap on it. Tap Enable to use to enable the Schlage skill. You will be prompted to log in to your Schlage account. Enter your Schlage account credentials and tap Sign In. Follow any additional prompts to link your Schlage Encode lock to your Alexa account. Once linked, return to the main screen of the Alexa app. Tap on the menu icon again and select Routines. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new routine. Choose a name for your routine in the routine name field. Select when this happens to choose your routine trigger. You can select options like voice command or a specific time. Next, tap Add Action to specify what you want Alexa to do. Scroll down and select Smart Home. Tap Control Device to find your Schlage Encode lock. Choose the lock from the list of devices. Select the action you would like, such as lock or unlock. Once you have set the action, tap Add to confirm. Review your routine settings to ensure everything is correct. If satisfied, tap Save to finalize your routine. Your Schlage Encode lock is now connected to an Alexa routine for automation. To test the routine, use your chosen trigger and observe its responsiveness. You can create additional routines or modify existing ones as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.